Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Start Work to app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on notifications, just click on it here. You come to next step here, you come here to this here, or receive notifications when it is face over your location. Click in this sign. Like you see this color for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.